Testing, testing, testing. Yeah. My name is Nguyen. Time now to today's Saturday. Yeah. Today's Saturday, 14 July year 2018. Repeat. Today's Saturday, 14 July year 2018 at 5:56 p.m. 5 minutes to 6. Okay. So you got half an hour. Study with me, year 10, continue maths today. First of all, thank you so much for the background music of YouTube, relaxation music, or study music, or sleep music, or meditation music. You used to sing. Make your mind relax. And concentrate a little bit to study, yeah? Okay? So it's 5 minutes to 6. Everybody, today is Saturday. Weekend. And tomorrow I have a 1 day relax. And after that I got whole week to read and writing my thesis. I read a lot of textbooks required to run my PhD thesis, okay? Okay, please. So we finish 6:25. Okay, just relax. Just a few minutes with the music, please. In your time, if you feel sick, angry, you need to come to your place quiet. Shut the door. You need to talk, yelling with people. Just shut the door and turn on music relaxations. You feel deeply inside. You feel better. You can cry. Cry much as you can. Wipe your tears with a tissue material. You feel better. Okay, please. So my math teaching for year 1 to year 12 is 12 years. I got experience to teach my children, and I cope with them very well for the next 12 years, plus 4 years in uni, 16 years, nearly 20 years of my life. Follow my 4 children step by step since they was born, and they cope well with me. Okay? So now I got experience to pass to you. Remember that my class, not teachings for money, not reputations, but the love of God. The love of your country, please. With my dairy, follow 4L, 5L's dairy for me, please. Could you please stand up, okay? With the national anthem of Australia, please. Okay? So you stand up for the national anthem. We learn the lesson with me. And another one. Today I run 3 classes for year 10s. Maths. Next week I move to year 9 or 11 or 12. Okay? Please. Or year 7, or year 8. Okay. Okay. I sing national anthem because I have been in Australia 35 years exactly. When the first time I came here in 1983, I couldn't speak English at all. And Australian government gave me a chance to learn. And my determination to go to university, I spent 6 years full-time study. Daytime I work in factory, nighttime I come back to the special class for adult education to study year 7 to year 12, and I passed and go to uni. So I got a lot of experience from non-English speaking background and finished, and now teaching math for free and doing PhD now. So would you please stand up for the national anthem of Australia? I need to let you know that I got bowel cancer and got a few years to live, and before I die, I try my best to return everything was well given me. I take this chance before I die. Okay? So I don't need you to pray for me or pay me money or anything. Just stand up and sing what's my national. Before I die, I want to return everything the government has given to me, please. Okay, please. Yes. Strong in closeness, rejoice, for we are young and free. You golden slave and tell for toys, home is built by sea. Our lands of nature gifts for beauty, rich and rare. Peace to best and every best to advance us well affair. In joyful strength and bless us sing, advance us well affair. With our wicked Southern Cross, with our heart and prayer, to let this common road for Christ, to have all those who land, for those who have to nature's youth, people out there wish to share. To advance Australia fair in joyful step, yes, we'll sing across Australia fair. Yes, sir. Beautiful song. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you and salute our Prime Minister, Malcolm Turnbull, Sir Malcolm Turnbull. Yes. Salute our Parliament House in Canberra. Salute you. Yes. Okay. Yes. Sorry that. I use this opportunity, just 5 minutes, to present my case in front of you. Pay attention, please. Let me introduce to you a story, just a few minutes, why I run this class. I need 5 minutes to express this story. I got a niece, call me uncle, because her mom is my wife's sister. So her relative to us is cousin. She studied, last year she studied year 7, and this year she studied year 8 in Brisbane. And her mom is my wife's sister. Think about her future career, and she spent her husband and herself sacrificed to give my niece a chance to study. On Saturday and Sunday, it's called private school. And monthly, only Saturday and Sunday, 3 subjects. She studied math, science and English for year 7 last year. And her family had to pay monthly $600. Okay, very expensive. Only one lesson goes 45 minutes during duration. And study math, English and science on Saturday and Sunday. Monthly, $600 per month, multiplied by 10, give you $6,000. But however, the school, the private school, very smart. They pick up in vacation, we go holiday 2 months, after December, when the students in Australia, in Queensland, everywhere got a long vacation. The school very smart, they pick up mom and dad money too. It's go vacation special school. So 2 months multiplied is 1,200 plus 6,000 is $7,200 for my bad knowledge. And last year, our family paid 7,200. This year, year 2019, paid 7,200 plus together is nearly 14,000 already. Multiplied by 6 years, from year 7 to year 12, is approximately $43,200, equivalent to 40,000 US dollar, in my best opinion, something like similar to that, approximately. For that reason, I feel this terrible. I feel shocked to hear this, our true story in our family. 20 years ago, my children was born 25 years ago, or 30 years ago, we haven't got this money to do. I sacrifice myself for my children. So I run this class for free. I let you know that. This is the school in Brisbane. It's called Nguyen College. It's around Sydney, Melbourne, Victoria, everywhere in Queensland. And this person is a businessman. He came here in 1986 as a Korean, South Korean businessman. He acted like math teacher, and he opened this private school. Yes, look. And he asked the specialist math teacher, maybe he or she got bachelor or master or PhD degree, to write a curriculum. And he got that book, and he passed to university student, and this for the task math list. And he picked up 100 millions in nearly 30 years, or 33 years living in Australia. How much do you think that he got? 100 million US dollar into his pocket from Australian perspective, family poor. And I feel sick of this, very sick of this. Please, I swear to you, please. I pay attention to education department in Queensland, particularly in Canberra, our country. Please pay attention for this. Do you think that's our children miss? Is this $43,000 in 6 years? Only one person. You multiply 1 million people in Australia. How much we pay for private institution in Australia? This is a question I want to raise in Parliament House this evening from my house, my room study, please. You let me know. 100 billion US dollar we have to pay for private school like this Saturday and Sunday school. Do you think that our children need it? Please. Sorry, please. I feel so sick for that, please. I swear to you, I couldn't cope with this. My niece, my wife, sister, give birth to that girl. She's only 13 years of age, studying in year 8 in Brisbane, Queensland. Please. Okay, so I come to this. So we study now, okay, please. I feel sorry for this to hear that. So much money we spend for that video, please, in my best knowledge. Please, I feel so sick. This is why I run the class for free, helping the poor kids in Australia, around the world, please, for that reason. So now, please, You got only 20 minutes. Okay? To come with me, Master, please, please. Remember this story, please. I feel sick for this, please. Please. So sick. $7,000, $200 per year. Okay, now. Year. 10B. Trigonometry. Okay, please. Example 7. Everybody, mom and dad, pay attention, follow me please. 5. The land. Of the side. Map. X. Correct? 2 decimal places. Okay. Got this triangle, 50 degree, 24 meters. You need to find X this side. Okay, solution. Solution means the teacher gave you how to do it that. So you will remember that you got 3 formula with me. So, ka, to. Yes, everybody in year 9, year 10 must learn this formula please, for me please. You have to. If you can't remember this formula, you can't solve this problem. 1, 2, 3, darling. Mom and dad follow me too. So, Kato formula, please. Please. So you have to ask in your mind which formula is suitable for me, for us to solve this problem. So remember that side equal opposite divided by hypotenuse, first formula. Number 2, cos equal adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Number 3, please. Tan equal opposite divided by adjacent. So 3 of them. Ask yourself which formula is suitable for you and me, mom and dad, to solve this problem. Asking your question. Which formula do we need or do we desperately need to solve this problem? Answer me, boys and girls, please. You sit down, study with me for free. No charge of nothing, only the love of God and the love of your country. Please. Step 1. Label the side of the triangle. Correct? Okay, you throw the picture from me again. Right angle here, 50 degree here, darling. Opposite with that, it's called opposite. And that's for x, you need to find 24 meters. You call this hypotenuse. And of course this one is adjacent. Okay, that's step 1. Step 2. Can you see me? Yeah, step 2. Sine theta equal opposite. You divide by hypotenuse. Let me see my time. Yeah, you got 50 minutes left. Okay? So, move to that. Sine 50 degree equal x over 24 meters. Sine 50 degree multiplied by 24 meters equal x. So x equal 0.7660 multiplied by 24. Therefore, x equal 18.3850, or x equivalent to 18.39 meters. That's the answer. I and S dot. Please, then copy that, please. Boys and girls, mom and dad. That's the answer. This is the lesson when you teach your son and daughter at home without money. Please, with my solution. Please. Yes. That's the answer. Smart boy and girl. I leave you alone for mom and dad to copy this, or the poor kids around the world in Australia, particularly Queensland. And I explain very clearly for you. Now, let me explain to you. Today, lesson 2, trigonometry year 10 in Australia. Underline this box. Yes, our topic today. Year 10. Yes. Example 7. Find the length of the sine mark x correct to 2 decimal places. Solution. Formula, please. So-ta-to. Apply. First, sine equal opposite, divide by hypotenuse. 2. Cos equal adjacent, divide by hypotenuse. 3. Tan equal opposite, divide by adjacent. So 3 of them. You have to ask yourself which formula is suitable for us to solve the problem. Step 1, solution. Label the size of the triangle. So sine 50 degree. You see that one? Triangle, 50 degree, 24 hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite x you need to find. So sine 50 degree equal x over 24 meters. Sine 50 degrees multiplied by 24 meters give x. So x equal 24 multiplied by 0.7660. Therefore x equal 19.3850. Therefore x equivalent to 18.39 meters. Use this. Year 10 in Australia, around the world. You need this calculator. Work it out, please. That's easy, like this, please. I leave you alone. Copy this for me. That's in year 10. And we've got 10 minutes left to do another question. Yes? Please. I leave time for you, space for you to copy, please. And we'll do another example. We've got only 10 minutes left. Yes? Good boys and girls, just copy this. Only 10 minutes left. Then. Today is Saturday, 14 July 2018, Year 10B, teaching math in Australia. Okay, so you've got 10 minutes. Copy it out for me, please, and wrap it up. And we do another question, please. Another example. And after this, I got dinner and I come back with exercise. So today I run 3 classes for year 10. 3. You don't need to buy me nothing, please. Yes, I leave you to copy this. And we come to another place in here. We do, yes, example I. Please, everybody, we got only 10 minutes left. Example I. Find the length of the side mark Z or Z like that, okay, in the triangle. Right. Okay, please, Dalek. Show me picture. 23 degree, 15 minutes. You need to find Z, this side, and that 12.5 meters. Solution. Let me see. Yeah, we got only 10 minutes left. I have to do fast, darling, please. Step 1. Label the side opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. So use this formula. So, K2. You have to ask yourself which formula we desperate need to solve this, please. You got 3 formula. So, K2. Asking yourself, which formula do we desperately need to solve this problem in year 10? Remember that. 1, 2, 3. Side equal opposite divide by hypotenuse. That's number 1. Question mark. Number 2. Cos equal adjacent divide by hypotenuse. Do we need that? Number 3. Tan equal opposite divide by adjacent. Do we need that? Question mark, question mark. 3 of them. You have to ask yourself. Got only 5 minutes left. Okay? So we move back to this right hand side, left hand side of the ball. I wrap it down. Please. Please, we got only 5 minutes left. I hope you can the end of that example. And lesson number 3, I give you exercise and do with me, enjoy math with me for free. Please. And this math belongs to Australia Department, Education Department in Queensland or in Canberra. Okay? I don't do it for money. I don't do it for my reputation. Nothing. I do it for free to help the kids, the poor kids around the world, particularly in Australia, Northern Territory. Now when the black Aboriginal have got money to do it, private school or poor people in Australia, please. Okay. Step 2.